am blessed by God above. My needs are met before I ask, and I find strength for every task. Have known sorrows and some pain, but all of these I count as gain. For God is good and God is fair, and through it all I know He's there. Had made my heart His dwelling place, and He forgives me by His grace. Have known sorrows and some pain, but all of these I count as gain. By faith I walk within His light, and never fear the coming night. My grateful heart is filled with love, for I am blessed by